Hello friends, in the last unit we seen this page, right, this slide, right? So and the application of computer networks, we are having some of the applications here using the computer networks, so you can read it all this information. And we are having some of the benefits using the only particular network. We want to use some of the network means we are having some of the benefits is there using the sharing and connectivity. So those all the things you can learn it. And this page also having some of the benefits like as a computer network, a lot of benefits is there. And this is the main important for this unit. And this is also one of the part transmission medium. I already told you wired communication is there means we are used the communication medium, like as a wired communication is there. So we are having the guided unguided media. So we use some of the time to per cable for the ethernet communication as well as there, right, using the network. So that is also used, and optical fiber cable also is there. And unguided media, we are having the radio waves and microwaves and infrared waves. Okay, those all the things I will give you the examples to you. Okay, don't worry about that. This is a wires like as a optical fiber cable, copper twisted pair cable, and copper coaxial cable. Like as a coaxial cable you can see in your home also. If you are use the television like as your disk connection, SDD connection is there mean, so it's a wire like this wire only they used. And then twisted pair is going to be used for the communication purpose, like as if you use the Wi-Fi means they will give the connection for this twisted pair used nowadays, right? So unguided media means we use the infrared, radio waves, satellites, microwaves also is there. And I will show you the example. Like this is a twisted pair cable. In this twisted pair cable we are having set of four colors of pairs of wires is there, like as orange and brown and green and blue. Okay, so those all the things we are going to be connected using the RJ45 pin also is there. In the pin we are going to be used at the same time for the network. Okay, so we are having one of the part. And the coaxial cable also we used. Here is a coaxial cable. We are having the four part in the cable is a plastic outer coating and braided metal and insulated material. Also the is a copper wire is going to be connected using the networks. Okay, here is a simulation diagram, and I already told you for set of colors is there. In the set of colors only we are going to be used this connection communication. And here we are having the microwave frequency bands also there, point to point microwaves used. And we are having the frequency range. I already told you for the analog and digital. We are having in the radio wave how we used means we are having some of the analog signals to communicate with the antennas, like as antennas. Okay, so this is also we can call as a radio waves. We use the television like as a television. Okay, so we are having the routers lot of types is there. Just showing you this is the router. We want to use two routers using only our colleges, organizations, only huge number of network we need means that the place only we used the routers. Okay, and then internet devices. What are the internet devices nowadays? We use lot of devices is that telephones, televisions, CCTV camera, and mobile phones, and as well as iPads and tablets and scanners. And refrigerator also we used. And door lock is there, smart lock is there means we use some of a sensor we used. Okay, so the lot of devices we used for a network. And then is this is like as a vehicle ad hoc network means this is the network how we using in a real time. This is a real time diagram for communicating with the frequency, and we are having some of the different type of networks is there, but all the vehicles is receiving the frequency, right? So any network means we are using some of the frequency. So this is a diagram. And sensor nodes, we are having some of the sensor types is there, and cores, DIRs and ins. Lot of sensors is there, using only remote control, not only having the sensor, we are having remote control communication, and another communication is there. So in IoT, we are use the smart home devices using the network. So those all the things I already told you. Smart locker is the smart telephone, smart door, smart CCTV. So those all the things we can use the IoT concept. Okay, in the mobile devices, mobile devices and tablets. Okay, those are all the things we used only for the transmission medium. Okay, thank you.